Morning, fourth graders. For this week's science video, we are going to be talking about electrical conductors and electrical insulators again. This time, however, we are going to go over examples of objects when these processes happen. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to name examples of electrical conductors and electrical insulators. But before we get into examples, let's review what exactly is an electrical conductor and an electrical insulator. Electrical conductors allow electricity to pass through easily, while electrical insulators block the flow of electricity. The picture at the far right shows an example of an electrical conductor, where the light bulb is able to light as electricity passes through completely. On the left shows an example of an electrical insulator, as the electricity is blocked, not allowing the light bulb to light. Now, what are some objects that allow electricity to flow through? And what are some objects that block the flow of electricity? Examples of electrical conductors include silver, gold, copper, steel, and seawater. And silver, gold, copper, and steel are all considered metals, which are commonly used to conduct electricity. Water is also a conductor of electricity. This is why it's very important to be careful not to get your electronics wet and not to touch water if electricity is flowing into it. Now, some examples of electrical insulators include rubber, glass, oil, diamond, and dry wood. And rubber or plastic is often around electrical cords to keep the electricity in. We have separated examples of electrical conductors and electrical insulators, but how might it work together? The picture at the right shows an electrical cord. As we mentioned before, plastic or rubber is often outside an electrical cord to keep the electricity in, acting as an electrical insulator. The copper inside the cord is an electrical conductor, as electricity flows through the cord. This is why it's important to discard broken electrical cords, as if the rubber or plastic breaks, that means electricity is no longer being insulated. Congratulations! You now can name examples of electrical conductors and electrical insulators.